Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting in Slack using the integrated calendar and Huddle tools to keep your team organized in 2026. Step 1. Open the calendar integration. To schedule a formal meeting, you'll want to use the calendar app directly within your Slack interface. Click on Directories or Apps in your left sidebar and select your preferred calendar like Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. Once the app is open, click the Create Event button. In 2026, Slack's calendar apps are fully embedded, so a window will pop up allowing you to set the title, date, and time without ever leaving the Slack app. This ensures the meeting is synced across your entire workspace and your personal devices. Step 2. Add teammates and a Huddle link. A meeting isn't much use if nobody can join it. You need to invite your colleagues and provide a place to talk. Use the Invitees field to type in the names of your teammates, then ensure to select from the App section. Choosing a Slack Huddle as the location is the most seamless option. When the meeting time arrives, Slack will automatically send a notification to all invitees with a Join Huddle button, making it a one-click process to get the conversation started. Step 3. Post the invite to a channel. To make sure everyone is aware of the meeting, even those who might not have checked their calendar, share it directly into the relevant project space. Before hitting Save, look for the Share To dropdown and select the specific channel like Marketing or Dev Team. Once you click Create, an interactive meeting invite will be posted to that channel. It will show the time, the list of attendees, and a Join button that activates when the meeting starts. In 2026, if you need to reschedule, you can simply click Edit on that channel post to update the time for everyone instantly. And that's pretty much it. To schedule a meeting in 2026, open your calendar app from the sidebar, create a new event with your teammates invited, and make sure to link a Slack Huddle. Share the invite to a channel so everyone can see the details, and join with a single click when the time comes. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.